Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to make sticky date pudding with a secret ingredient, 5-spice powder. We're going to first prepare our date mixture by chopping up some dates and then placing them into a bowl along with some boiling water and baking soda, and then let that sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to mash up the dates until it gets a gooey paste-like consistency, and then we're going to set it aside. Now we're going to work on the pudding by first creaming the butter and sugar together until it turns fluffy. When your butter and sugar is ready, we're going to add in an egg and then whisk it until it's evenly combined. Now we're going to sift in the flour, baking powder, nutmeg, cinnamon, and the 5-spice powder, and then we're going to fold that all in until it's just combined. Once all your flour has been mixed in, we're going to add in the mashed date mixture and then just mix that in until it's combined as well. Then we're going to grease a muffin pan and then place in the batter up to 2 ferns high, and then we're going to bake that for 20 minutes at 170 degrees. When the puddings are cooking, we're going to add in the butter, sugar, and maltose syrup to a heavy bottom saucepan, and then we're going to cook that until everything has dissolved, and then we'll add in a cream and then give that a mix until everything is combined. We're going to keep cooking the mixture until the sauce turns thick, and then you can turn off the heat. Then when your puddings are ready, take them out and then pour on a spoonful of sauce and let that soak for 10 minutes. And then when you're ready to eat, just turn it out onto a plate and pour on some more sauce, and then you can add ice cream or cream to it or just eat it as is. And there we have our sticky date pudding. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.